Hello. We will handle the trim vector command. Trim is a command that helps us trim and cut vectors. For this, the vectors must intersect each other. The intersection must have intersecting points. If there is no intersection point, trim does not cut the vector. Here only. We still have a circle over here. When we select the trim vector, while the trim vector was in effect, as you can see when we click on the circle completely erases itself. But here there was more than one shape intersecting each other. When we click on the intersection points, we trim it like all your vectors. The trim vector is here, as it trims the intersecting areas. Here are the vectors after the cut. It appears disjointedly. That's all about trim vector. Goodbye, see you in the next lesson.